What I'm about to say might not sit well with some of you, but it's the truth. And sometimes the truth stings. Discipline is easy. Yeah, I said it. And if you're already rolling your eyes thinking, if it were so easy, why isn't everyone doing it? That's exactly the problem. Talking is easy. Doing, that's the war. And most people lose before they even start. You've probably told yourself, I just can't stay disciplined. It's not for everyone. I've tried, but I fail every time. Sounds familiar, right? We get it. It sounds like a wild claim. But all that extreme, toxic motivation you've been watching, it's not helping. In fact, it's dragging your growth backward. You're not improving. You're drowning. You've turned something simple into something scary. You've convinced yourself that discipline is some kind of torture, and now your self-worth is bleeding because of it. So let's break this. Why does discipline feel so hard? And more importantly, how can it actually become easy? That's what today is about. Introducing the 4 easy Discipline Domino Habits. Forget everything you've heard about discipline being this impossible beast. Forget the content that glorifies waking up at 3 a.m., running 20 miles, or working 100-hour weeks. David Goggins, he's a beast because his mission demands it. Elon Musk, his companies demand extreme focus. Virat Kohli, his training isn't optional, it's his job. But you're not them yet, and you don't have to do what they do to become disciplined. Because guess what? Even they started small. Nobody rolls out of bed one day and becomes a Navy SEAL or a tech billionaire. Discipline is a skill, a muscle. You grow it 1 rep at a time. Think of it this way. You can't climb Everest without first learning to hike a hill. If you treat discipline like Everest from day one, of course it feels impossible. But if you start small, really small, you can build unstoppable momentum. Rewire your brain. Discipline is easy. Right now, the only thing standing between you and the better version of yourself is a belief system. That's it. You believe discipline is hard. You've been sold that belief by overhyped influencers and hustle pages. But that belief, it's fake. And today, we break it. There are 2 types of tasks in life. 1. Reminder-based tasks. These are simple things. You don't need motivation, you just need a nudge, like drinking water, writing in a journal, or doing 10 push-ups. If you set a phone reminder,